children.
I came down here one morning and there was actually a rabid raccoon.
Really?
It was around 11 o'clock in the morning. You know they're asleep. It was all wet and nasty looking, and you could just saw his fur. You could tell he was sick.
Yeah. This would be a good spot for us to bring the dogs to.
Yeah.
They would love it here.
I don't know that you could turn. Well, what you're going to do? They lock the gate at dusk.
Okay.
Okay. Which gives you till 8 or 9, 8:30 or so. But I don't know that you could turn them loose if there's any cars.
Yeah.
What are you doing, Donnie?
Huh? Electus! I get you. I'm gonna get you.
Are you?
Of course I am.
Please don't do video on my card.
Babe, I'm not. Here, I'll leave you out of it. Keep walking.
Huh?
You see swings.
You want to
Stay on the path.
go? You don't want to go swing?
If y'all want to swing, then that's fine. I will.
We'll do
Alrighty, here we go. Hold Ashley's hand, getting over there by the swings. I can see him walking right behind one. Wham!
Well, he's taking off now.
Yeah.
It's like icy
Watch
swings.
he doesn't get behind that swing close, honey.
He's probably going right for
The dirt.
the play area.
Is this bucket wet?
Oh, honey, his whole body is wet from the water.
Oh, alright. I was going to say,
Honey, what do you see his shoes? His shoes are soft and wet.
Well, he was pouring water on him early. He was standing there pouring that on his shoes.
I just put them in the dryer.
put that in one of
There's something down here I'm allergic to. Yeah, funny.
You know what my favorite video is, right?
Yeah.
The pork chop video.
Tomorrow, as we're having baked potatoes roast, you're going to have to load.
You know that was good. Yay!
She's laughing.
You did lather the sunblock on her really good, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yay! I'm thinking the swing's a hit. It's a baby! Alexis! Arr, 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 arr. Oh man. The baby.
Go back down here.
Yay!
She's like trying the. She's like
You want to
trying
go on this?
Like, hey, go right there.
Whoops!
He's like trying to go higher, you know?
Alexis!
Come back down
So now we're going.
here. You gonna slide?
Let's go on the playground. We'll go over here, okay? Come on.
Gonna slide? Come on.
Come on. Okay. Here we go. Let's go find mommy. Let's go find mommy.
Why turn the darn video off for a while?
But I like it.